Are you like me and frustrated with using a rotary cutter to cut your quilting fabric for your quilt blocks? Well, today I'm going to show you the Go Me fabric cutting system by the AccuQuilt company. And let's take a look inside the box to see what we find. So as you see here, it comes with a past inspection sticker to make sure that it's in good condition and is not used. So I'm just going to use my finger to pop this open. And let's see, on the back of the box, we have some quilting projects that are used to, that were cut with this cutter and die. Well, let's just get to it. Okay, so inside the box comes like this. Oh, how cute is this? Oh my God, there's some dies in there. So what I'm going to do is pull this out, and this is what we have. Let's see. What we have here is, it looks like, oh, here are some instructions on how to use the cutter. I'll probably go over that in a second. A pattern, an idea book, some advertisements, and how to register register online for a 6-month extended warranty. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Here is one of the most important pieces to using this cutting system, and it's the Go cutting mat. Remember, when you're using the AccuQuilt cutting system, nothing cuts without this mat. So they give you a free one, and it's the 6x6 cutting mat. Let's remove this styrofoam. Throw it over there, throw that over there. Aha! We have 2 dies. Well, let me go in order here. I'm so excited. So it has this dust cover. So let me just pull this off. And as you can see, I'm kind of holding this with my right hand. I'm left-handed. And it does have some weight to it, but I'm able to manipulate it with my right hand. So here's the cutter, the Go Me, and it's got the handle here. And, you know, I've never used this little one before because I have the Go Big and I also have the Studio 2 cutter. So this Go Me is new to me. So let me see how open it here. I think you just put your fingers in there. Oh yeah, boom. Flattens out. There you go. So what I did basically was, there are 2 notches here. You just put your finger on either side. Open it this way, open it that way, and there you go. And this turns this way. It comes with 2 dies. Let's see, there is a 3-inch finished half square triangle die. And then there is a 1/4 square triangle finished die that it comes with. And as you can see, it has pattern here. The Yankee Puzzle #2 pattern, and then it also has the turnstile pattern. Oh my stars, this is one of my favorite blocks, actually. How cool is that? So that's what comes in the box, and during the next video, what I'm gonna do is actually show you guys how you cut fabric using this Go Me by the AccuQuilt system. Stay tuned for the next video. My name is Tammy, and I'm the founder of Quilt Savvy. Thanks for joining. See you in the next video. Bye.